inventions seem trivial after they are used for some time. TV, when introduced in India in 70s, was a fascinating and groundbreaking invention. Now, children do not understand why their grandparents make so much of hue and cry about the same. Wired telephones also was a fantastic invention. Now, they seem to be so outdated. Numbers today are child's play, but their invention required a lot of work by mathematical minds over centuries and was certainly path-breaking. Why do we need numbers? Let's note down some distinct situations where we need numbers. Maybe counting objects, for example, number of trees in a farm, or maintain score in a cricket match, or display speed of motor, transactions of any kind like money transactions or even the bartering, or calculate days to examination. All such and many more such situations need numbers. Without numbers, we will be stuck in each phase of our day-to-day life. So in this video, we will try to know our numbers. The first part of knowing numbers is forming numbers, which we have already learned in our earlier classes. So we will start with comparing the numbers. So I have these students in my class and I want them to stand in the order of their height. So if I go from this student to this, I go up, and if I have to start from this, I go down. So start from small and move to big. We call this ascending order. And when we start from big and go to small, we call it descending order. Now when we talk about numbers, the ascending order will be starting from a small number and going to a big number. The smallest to biggest number. And descending will be starting with the biggest number and going to the smallest number. So once we know this, let's see how we can compare numbers. There are two rules we will be using to compare number. Before we go to rule 1, let's talk about a thing which will be helpful for us when we talk about rule 1. If I have a number 124, how many digits do I have in this number? I have 1, 2 and 3 digits here. Now if I want another number 1429, now how many digits I have? I have obviously 1, 2, 3, 4 digits. Let's say I have another number. If I write this number as 0197. Now how many digits I have? You will say obviously there are 4 digits, isn't it? We see here 1, 2, 3 and 4. 4 digits. No, they are not 4 digits. Because when we have a 0 as the leftmost position, we do not count that. We do not count this. And hence we only have 3 digits. When we are counting number of digits, a 0 which does not have any other number left to it is not counted. For example, if I have 10230, how many digits I have? Let me count it. The first digit I have here is 0. Should I count this? I need to look to the left. Is there a digit on the left? Yes, I have a digit on the left, so I will count this 0. This is 1, 2, 3. Now one more 0. Should I count this? I look to the left. there is a digit to the left, so I will count this. So 4 and 5. This is a 5-digit number. Let's take one more example. If I have a number 069032, how many digits it has? So let's again count the digits. I have 1, 2, let me see, this 0. Is there a digit on the left? Yes, there is. So I will count this 0, 3, 4, 5. I have a 0. Look to the left. There is no digit to the left. So this 0 will not be counted. So I will not count this. There are only 5 digits in this number. We have looked at how to count the number of digits. So let's now come to comparing numbers. And in this, rule 1 is, if we have numbers, first count number of digits in these two numbers. Any number which has more number of digits is always greater than the other number. So let's take example 79 and 103. So how many digits in this? In 103 we have 3 digits. So here we have 3 digits. And how many digits here? We have 2 digits. 3 is greater than 2. So we know that 103 is greater than 79. Let's take one more example. I have numbers 2, 3, 4, 5 and 1, 9, 7, 6, 5. Now how many digits I have in the first number? Here I have 5 digits. And how many digits I have here? Here I have 4 digits. So 5 is greater than 4. So we know that number 19765 is greater than 2, 3, 4, 5. This is our rule number 1. So let's go to rule number 2. What happens if I have same number of digits? For example, I have 2, 3, 4, 5 and 1, 9, 7, 6. So I have these two numbers. In both cases, you see, in both cases I have same number of digits. Here as well I have 4 digits and here also I have 4 digits. Now which number is greater? That we now start from the leftmost digit of each number. We'll take the leftmost digit of first number. Leftmost digit of the first number here is 2. The leftmost digit of this number is 1. So if you see, what we are doing is we are taking the leftmost digit. So we are taking this digit down here and we are taking the leftmost digit down here. In this leftmost digit, which digit is greater number? So obviously 2 is greater than 1 and hence we can say that our 2, 3, 4, 5 is greater than 1976. Let's take one more example. I have 4, 5, 6, 9 and 5, 4, 9, 6. First rule is about the number of digits. We know that number of digits here are 4. Number of digits here are 4. So we will not use rule 1. We'll go to rule number 2 and we are going to get the first leftmost digit down. So we'll get it down here. That is 4. And we'll get this number down here and that is 5. Now which one of them is greater? 5 is greater. And hence we know number 5496 is greater than 4569. This is our rule number 2. But what happens if we have the same number as our leftmost number? If I have 4596 and 4569. Now which one is greater? So first rule says count the number of digits. Here we have 4. Here also we have 4. So we cannot use the first rule. They are equal, so we cannot use this rule. Now we'll go to the second rule. In second rule, we take this 4 down. So I take this down, leftmost digit, and here also I take this down here, leftmost digit. Both are 4. They are equal, so I cannot determine which number is greater. Now in that case, I take the second digit. So I will take this second digit here. I add this second digit down. So that is 5 here and that is 5 here. Again equal, so I cannot determine here. I'll go to the next digit on the right. So I'm going to take this one and this digit here. Here we know it is 9 and here it is 6. Now out of 9 and 6, 9 is greater. Hence 4596 is greater than 4569. So let's revise what we do. Rule 1, we check the number of digits. If we find that one of the numbers has more number of digits, that is our greater number. Rule 2, if both the number of digits are same, we compare the leftmost digit. Whichever number has greater leftmost digit, that number is greater. If we don't have greater, we have same leftmost digit, we move one digit to the right or the second leftmost digit. We compare that. If we find one of them is greater, we stop there. Otherwise, we go to next. So this way we move from left to right until we get our greater number.